Alright guys, in this video we are going to see how we can unwind the prepaid expenses in Sage. As we can see here in this transaction right here, on 31st of January, rent expense for January adjusted from advanced rent account for an amount of $1,000. So what is this exactly? In the starting, if you followed the assignment, we have paid in advance for the rent for 6 months at the $1,000 per month each. So the total was $6,000, but at that time we didn't consume the benefit. It was only advance rent or recorded as a prepayment, which is an asset. But now the January month has passed and we have consumed the benefit of the premises. So only that portion which we have consumed the benefit of should be converted to rent expense against the prepaid expenses ledger. Since we didn't consume the benefit, the entry was prepaid rent as an asset, debit. Against that, we credited bank. But now, since we have already paid, that prepayment is all in the prepaid rent. So debit will be rent expense, credit will be prepaid rent. By the way, guys, if you want to learn more about how the prepaid rent or prepaid expenses work, I have attached this document in the resources section so you can fully read it to completely understand the concept. So what we will do is to enter this journal entry, I'll just go to the banking. And from here, we click on journal entry, new journal entry. And now let's start entering this. So 31st of January, you can put any reference number here. We already have the prepaid expenses account created where we posted earlier. So prepaid expenses is this, but this should be credit. First of all, rent expense should be debit. So let's find expense account. So rent or lease expenses here, 6,300. Let's copy this narration, paste it right here, put debit as $1,000. Credit is prepaid expenses because prepaid expenses is now reducing with that amount which we have consumed the benefit of. So $1,000 and save it. Just make sure the date is correct. Save it just like that. And that's how we deal with the unwinding of prepaid expenses in Sage. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.